In this video, I'm going to share why you need to keep showing up, creating content and posting on YouTube and all social channels for that matter, even when you feel like nobody is listening and the engagement is crickets. And I'm speaking from personal experience. This channel is just getting started. So we are just a few months in, and I need to hear this advice myself to stay motivated and to keep pushing forward. But seriously, if you're a small YouTuber and you're feeling like you're shouting into the void, this video is for you. Maybe you've been posting for weeks or months and you're still seeing very few views on YouTube. Maybe you're wondering if you'll ever grow on YouTube or if the algorithm is just ignoring you. Well, trust me, I get it. I've been there. I'm actually here right now. And honestly, most of us have been there. But here's what I want you to know. Someone will eventually find your content and they will find it valuable. The YouTube algorithm just needs time to get to know you, to figure out who your audience is. And the only way that happens is if you keep posting on YouTube, even when it feels like nobody is listening. Now, if you're new here, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button below and join me on this journey. I am building this channel from scratch, just like you. So every like, every comment helps me to know what's resonating, and it helps other creators to find this message too. Now, at the time of recording this, I just came off an incredible 3-day mastermind in the south of London with some truly inspiring and successful entrepreneurs. We had the pleasure of diving deep into YouTube secrets with the person who runs the channels for Ali Abdaal, for Daniel Priestley, and so many others, the names are eluding me right now, that have millions of followers. We also had Charlie Follows in the room, who's another hugely successful yoga YouTuber. And so I wanted to share some of the key takeaways from that session. And one of the biggest things that I learned, numbers aren't everything anymore. It's not about being the biggest channel on the internet. It's about growing a following of people who genuinely care, people who are interested in your message, in your products or your services, especially if you are an entrepreneur. The days of chasing empty views, they're over. What really matters is building community, a community that's really engaged. And to back this up, there are so many hugely successful YouTubers who are now starting brand new channels to attract their ideal customers to grow a business. Because these big channels, they're just numbers, but not numbers that will convert to cash. And some examples are James Smith, Iman Gadzhi, and well, Charlie Follows, who I mentioned before, who was at this mastermind. And there are so many others. They are all starting brand new channels. So forget the numbers and focus on quality subscribers. Okay, let's now talk about consistency. I know, not the most glamorous YouTube advice, but it is the secret to success for small channel growth. The more you post, more the algorithm learns about you. Every video is a new data point, a new chance for YouTube to figure out who might love your content. And if you only have a handful of videos, YouTube doesn't have enough data to go on. But if you keep showing up, you're giving yourself and the algorithm a real chance. And here's another very important thing. While you're posting, you're getting better. Every video is practice. You're learning how to come up with new YouTube video ideas, how to structure your message, how to find your voice on YouTube. Nobody starts out as a pro. I mean, think about it. No pilot ever took off and landed perfectly on their first try. Now, hopefully they didn't crash, but they learn through training. They learn through repetition and through a few bumpy landings. And the same goes for YouTube or anything in life, really. So if you're feeling a creative burnout on YouTube or you're doubting yourself, just remember, everybody starts somewhere. The most important thing is that you start. And you don't give up when it gets rough. That's how you build creative resilience. And that's how you grow, not just online, but as a person. Now, I know there are a million YouTube beginner tips and strategies out there. How to use keywords, how to make engaging thumbnails, how to write the perfect title. And yes, those things do matter, and they matter a lot. But I'm not going to share any of them in this video because, well, I'm not a YouTube expert, not yet, and I am a fellow creator. And you're going to find the answers to all of those strategies everywhere on the internet. This is a motivational video for you and also for me, because there are days when I need motivation just as much as you do too. So here is my advice. Hone your skills, work on your message, and ask yourself, what's the most valuable thing that I can share today? If you were handed a microphone at Wembley Stadium and you were given 10 minutes in front of 100,000 people, what would you say? That's the kind of value that you want to bring to your channel. Give away your best content. Your audience will find you. You just have to keep on going. Now, if you're getting value from this, I would love it if you would also hit the like button below. It lets me know that this is helping, and it helps more small creators to find this video. Okay, let's talk about mindset. When you're a new YouTuber, it's very easy to get caught up in the numbers, but the reps matter more than the results. I'll say that again. The reps matter more than the results. Every video is a deposit into your future success. You might not see the impact now, but you're building the foundation for your channel and for yourself. So ask yourself, did I learn something new? Did I improve even just a little bit? And if the answer is yes, then you're already winning. And here's a little secret. Your breakthrough moment probably won't feel like a breakthrough. It'll be a random Tuesday, a comment you didn't expect, a spike in views on a video you almost didn't post. You're closer than you think, but you have to stay in the game long enough to get lucky. Start imperfectly, get better as you go, and don't delete your old videos. Don't be ashamed of them just because you've improved and you've got better. They are part of your story. They are proof that you have earned your audience. So honor those videos where you're still improving and growing, because they are what got you there when you finally do reach your goals. And if you're looking for more strategies to grow your business and understand the best marketing tactics to get clients, or you just need a little more YouTube motivation, I've got more content for you. I have a complete channel to help you become a more effective communicator and show up on camera. So I'll put the link to that in the description below. And I have another full channel that teaches you online marketing strategies, which I'll link to below. But if you do find this content valuable, I'm 100% sure you're also going to find this video here highly valuable. Thanks for being here. Keep posting, keep growing, and remember, you're not behind, you're just beginning. I'm rooting for you.